Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is on the 12th of July. Look at this. We did this analysis. We're looking for buys above the 2372 area. We had that buy happen, went all the way to take profit one, take profit two. That was a successful trade over there. Look at that. The sales did not happen, but the buys happened. 2372 over here. Profit. Take profit one, take profit two taken. Then yesterday we had the CPI. The CPI potential buys were about to break the high of this previous structure high, and we got it as well. Pushed all the way up to the point that we were looking for, because this was take profit one. We had two over here. Hits. Right now, we're looking at what will happen next today. Right. So before that, let's see what do we have in terms of news. What do we have? Let's see. What have we? We have PPI. Nice. This is gonna move the market, of course. The PPI is gonna move the market. Definitely, it's gonna move the market. So what we have right now, we need now. Let's do a very nice analysis and see what we should be expecting this evening. Right, so remove everything, go to monthly, start doing price action based on market structure over here. All right, so we still have the high. The high hasn't changed yet. Sorry, the highs haven't changed yet. That is still the monthly high. We have the monthly low over here. So it was the change bado. Monthly resistance, monthly support, down right down over here. Weekly on this side, we have a weekly support over there. The weekly resistance is fully broken. So right now we're dealing with the monthly resistance. All right. Daily high was broken. So now we have a new daily support over here. New daily support over there. 4 hours. It's where we is right now, where we are. Of course, we have a low over here that we cannot ignore. So this is daily support over here. This is weekly. This is, sorry, not weekly. This is H4. H4 support creating itself over there. We have the H4 highs now over here. That's the H4. Right, like that. H4 resistance. H4 support over here. Pretty much well, looking very good. In terms of the daily, I would like to consider this as a resistant level that needs to be broken. Right over there. This one needs to be broken for us to continue pushing down. All right. For us to continue pushing down, I'd like to propose this as a H1 support. Of course, there is this, the highs is just over there. All right, let's see what we have in terms of what we may be having in terms of hey, okay, this is good. This is good. All right, so in terms of sales, I will take it over here below this week. We can have some potential sales over there. Range sales below, that will be around 23. Let me see. 24. 24. 2404. Won't hurt. 2404. And you know what? My take profit one will be just right about below that wick over there. This will be my TP1 and TP2. Right about there. Short position. Put it on like that. Stop loss around that area over there. We got ourselves a sell signal. Let's look on the buy side. Over here, I'm really not inclined to take any trade over here, though we could create a way to get a trade inside there. Though, well, see, if we expand, we could get this as a high, 30 minutes resistance, as a 30 minutes resistance. You can get this as a 30 minutes resistance. Once we get this as a 30 minutes resistance, of course, we're going to be pushing all the way to above that point, but we'll need a break above this week over here. So I will just name this as potential aggressive here. Potential aggressive buys above 24.11, 24.12. Right about that point, like that. Okay, so these ones, we go over there. We'll need to see that wick and that wick being met still. So definitely we're gonna do that as the TP1, TP2 over here, TP3. But now, since this is an aggressive buy, yeah, we need to find a safe buy. For those who are not going to be taking the aggressive one, at what point do you consider taking in a buy? I want to see what's happening on the left side over here. It's very important that we mark it. Okay. Still within the same range. So over there, it's very important. Any other major place? We could be talking about that points like that. So, yes. We talk about safe buys above this here. And I will mark it with one of these. I'll mark it above this point, potential buys above 24.20, 24.20 over here. Oh, so potential safe buys, sorry. Because we already have the aggressive buys here. So I'm gonna mark two types of, or two order positions. This one that goes all the way, take profit 1, 2, and 3 over there. That's our aggressive. Of course, the aggressive ones, you know, we have a tight stop loss a bit, because it's aggressive as the name goes. Then for the safe buys above that point, I'll be pushing all the way to this point. Ultimately, we need to cover up all the way to this is the all-time high, all right? So ultimately, that is where we be headed over here. So safe buys above that point. We do our take profit uno, TP1 over here, TP2, TP3 as we go, and TP4 ultimately to the monthly high over there. That is probably the PPI today would do that, probably, or probably also the PPI today would want to retrace this move of CPI yesterday. So we just have to wait and see in the evening. The best thing we can do to ourselves is wait and see. All right, so what do we have now? What you're looking for is potential sales below 24.04. A candle close below 24.04, continue selling. A candle close above 24.12, that will be aggressive buys all the way to over here, 24.24. And then safe buys 24.20 all the way, and probably would take us to 1, 2, 3, 4 take profits over there. And well, that is what we should be looking for today, all right? Also, remember it's a Friday, so we may be having retracements. So don't be surprised if we have this move down here. It's a Friday, so Friday we can have a very nice retracement, probably. I'm not really saying that's what's going to happen. So everything is possible. So on Fridays mostly, the market tend to do a reverse. So try to be vigilant, trade what you see, not what you think, and what can I say? Happy hunting for the day. Good luck, everybody. Let's meet on Monday once again, right? Take care. And if you have any questions, just chat me over there. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. And yeah, if you need also to know more about brokerages and about Forex trading, let me know. My number is over there, right? Thank you. Thank you very much. If you have to open an account as well, we have a link over there to INGOT Brokers. You can open an account with us as well. All right, guys. Take care and bye-bye. Have a good one.